This 2009 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT Crew Cab V8 4WD pickup went through the same process as our other manufacturer brand vehicles. This vehicle has been well maintained with a clean auto check and has features like an automatic transmission, leather interior, fog lights, heated seats, keyless entry, running boards, power windows and door locks. We also offer NQA, top dollar NQA, for trade-in and number 039S and competitive finance options.